Hi, and welcome back to JetBot Tutorials. This is video 2. In this video, we're going to focus on how to connect to the Wi-Fi with the JetBots. Attached to the description of this video, you will find a written document that is referenced in order to make this process easier. Step 1 is connecting to the wireless network. In order to accomplish this, you will need 4 items: 1 HDMI cord, 1 monitor, 1 keyboard, and 1 mouse. So first, plug in the keyboard and mouse into the USB-C slots available in the JetBot. Next, connect the JetBot to the monitor using an HDMI cable, as I have here. If the monitor is on, you should see a black screen with white text asking you to log in. This is an example of what your screen should look like. Type JetBot and press enter. Then, when prompted for a password, type JetBot again and press enter again. If the login is successful, the screen will display the details of the last login and a welcome message. This is an example of what your screen should look like. Something important to note is that when typing your password in, you will not be able to see the text you're typing, and this is completely normal. Now that you're logged in, you can connect your JetBot to the Wi-Fi by typing the following line and pressing enter. So this is what you would type in. Login is successful, you should see this message confirming the Wi-Fi connection. After setting up the Wi-Fi, your JetBot will automatically connect to this network on startup and in the future. So you'll see this message down here. Now that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, the next thing you need to do is download the Jetpack onto the JetBot. Following the link in this manual, you'll find a step-by-step guide on what to expect and how it'll look. In order to do this, you need to grab the SD card from the JetBot, which is located under the heatsink on the left side of the robot. And here's a picture of where you can find it on the robot. Using the link from before, you want to download Jetpack version 4.4.1 for the 4GB Nano. Once you've selected the correct version, follow these steps until you get to the last step, which is connecting your JetBot from the web browser. So your JetBot screen on your JetBot should now display a series of numbers next to the word WLAN0. You want to type those numbers into this IP address onto your desktop web browser. The password is JetBot. Once you successfully log in, the page will display a screen with the JetBot's notebooks. By default, the JetBot comes with 5 notebooks pre-installed: Basic Motion, Teleoperation, Collision Avoidance, Road Following, and Object Following. Feel free to try out the Basic Motion and Teleoperation, as these will allow you to test that your JetBot is functioning correctly. The Collision Avoidance and Road Following notebooks are what the main focus of this course will be. The default notebooks found installed on the JetBot are useful for learning the codes. So this is the final screen that you should expect to see once you have everything connected and are connected to JupyterLab. I hope this video was informative, and if you have any questions or any issues, feel free to check out the troubleshooting video or reach out.